Okay, you guys, I'm going to show you how to take a video and upload it to your school YouTube account. Using my Chromebook, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come down here to my launcher, the circle on the bottom left, and I'm going to click on my camera. If yours does not show up here, then if you click on this up arrow, all of your different applications will show up and you can click on camera. It's going to pop up. Hey, here I am, boiler up. Okay, so I can choose to do a video right here or a photo. I, of course, want to do a video because I'm making a video for my families. I make these in the morning or the night before, and then I share them in the morning just as a good morning. How are you? Here's some fun activities I want you to try today. So just a fun little informational video for your families, any way you want to. Just getting them seeing your face. I'm going to record a quick little video here. Hey, boiler up. And here we are making a little video. So I'm just going to stop. I can go ahead and close this down. I don't need it up anymore. Then I'm going to click on my Google Apps array, and I'm going to click on YouTube. Very simple. It'll pop up with things for you. As you can see, what it wants me to do. And up here in the top right corner, it has a little camcorder with a plus sign. And that's going to allow me to create a video or go live. I don't want to go live, but you can if you want to with your students. That is an option. You can go live and send them a link for you. And I just want to upload a video from my computer. So when I click on it, it'll pull up a pop-up screen in the middle, and it'll ask me to choose a video. So I select a file. And so I'm going to click on it. It's going to be the most recent one I just took today. You can see I'm working at 11:29 tonight. So I click on that. Oh, let's get rid of that. And I'm going to click open. It'll take it a minute. It's uploading it. And it's going to give me a few options. First of all, it's going to ask me for a title. I can name it whatever I want to. This is a tester video for YouTube uploading. It's going to give me a weird little thumbnail over here, and I'll get more into that. So it's not done though. It's going to give me options of different thumbnails that I can choose. It takes screenshots from your video. Maybe I want this crazy one, or this one looks kind of normal. I like the crazy one because, especially if I'm making it for my kids, they find it entertaining anyways. So I'm going to come down here. If you have different playlists, you can select which playlist you want it into. I'm putting a lot of mine into a playlist called e-learning videos so that they're in an easy location for me to find, but you can put them wherever you want to or make a new playlist. You can click if it's something for your kids. Yes, it's made for kids. You don't have to do either one of these. Well, actually, it says it's required. I didn't see that earlier. That's up to you, how you want to mark it. Yes, it's made for kids. It'll show up alongside other people's things that are for kids. So it could randomly pop up because YouTube is a public place. And then I want to click next. You can see it's finished processing down here. So I know that it's ready to move on. It'll ask me for some video elements. You don't have to do anything here. Click on the visibility. Do you want to publish it to the public? Unlisted, which means that if people have the link, they can see it, or private. So only the people that you choose can see it. That's up to you. If you want to have the public, that means it can show up to anyone. Anyone can search for it. Unlisted, again, anyone with the video link can see it. And private, only you and people you choose can see it. For digital learning, I would say maybe unlisted, so they have to have the link to find it. If It's just for you and your students. And then I'm going to click save. It's going to upload, then it's going to give me options right here immediately to go ahead and share it. I have different ways I can share it, or I can just copy the link and send that to my students, put it on Google Classroom, put it on Seesaw, put it on Canvas, send it in Talking Points, in Classroom Dojo, any way that you connect with students or parents, you can send that. And if you don't want to do that right now, you can close it. Then it'll show up here. So it's right here, along with other videos that I've made. You can see my morning message for tomorrow is already made. And then you can just go to it later and get the link at any point in time. Once I go here, I can also change it. Maybe I wanted to change the name of it, change the thumbnail, put it in a different playlist, change the visibility. So lots of different things that you can do. If you have questions more about this, just let me know. I have not tested the go live, but I might with my students next week. So I hope to get back to you with that.